Hi everyone, welcome to Kilde. We have here Monika Bohdalová. Monika is the CEO of Rerum Finance, which is a fintech organization based out of Czech Republic. How are you doing, Monika?
Thank you very much for the invitation.
Thank you. So, do you want to give us your professional background and the journey that led you to Rerum?
Yeah, thank you very much. I have been active in the financial sector since 2011. I began my career as a specialist in debt collection, which gave me the opportunity to gain a thorough understanding of all parts of the operational process. Over the years, I've developed a deep appreciation for the intricacies of the financial ecosystem and how each phase contributes to the success of a business. What led me to Rerum Finance was my strong interest in developing non-banking lending solutions that are built entirely around the customer. I was particularly drawn to the idea of combining advanced automation with a customer-centric approach to create a truly innovative financial service. One of the challenges I see in the European Union is the reliance on outdated methods compared to other parts of the world. At Rerum Finance, we strive to challenge that by introducing modern, forward-thinking solutions that meet the evolving needs of today's consumers.
So that's very interesting. So, what inspired you to be responsible for Rerum's future, and how has your vision for the company evolved over time?
I was inspired by the advancements of global fintech projects. In some countries, people can apply for car loans or mortgages online within 15 minutes or access an e-government system to complete transactions using just a phone number. When Rerum's new shareholders offered me the opportunity to create something similar in the Czech Republic, I was thrilled and ready to embark on this exciting journey.
That's quite interesting. People can apply for car loans within 15 minutes, and it's quite fast and quite interesting to see. I think for this part of the interview, we'll focus a little bit on the mission of your company. So, what is Rerum's mission, and what key problem does the company aim to solve?
Rerum's mission is to address the EU's underdeveloped financial sector, where outdated banking systems create a bank monopoly that decides who can access loans, leaving many excluded. We aim to offer quality lending services to clients who either cannot or prefer not to rely on traditional banks.
That's amazing. Essentially, you're looking at a segment of underbanked customers where they may not be served by traditional banks, and that's where you are coming in. In terms of the differentiation you have against your competitors, how do you differentiate yourself?
We prioritize responsible lending and strive to be the best in our niche. While many financial groups in the Czech market offer non-bank lending services as part of their broader Central European operations, we focus exclusively in Czech consumers. This allows us to create a service tailored to the local population. That means clear, accessible, and client-centered. By understanding our clients' needs, we can deliver significantly more improvements than our competitors.
So you understand the consumer a little bit more than the rest. In terms of the core business model, what's the business model like, and what's the primary revenue stream?
Rerum's business model is built around providing credit lines. Flexible borrowing solutions that let customers access funds as needed, up to predetermined limit, specifically tailored to the Czech market. Our main revenue streams include interest charges and service fees associated with these credit products.
So how does a typical customer journey look like when if I'm a customer and I want to buy into Rerum's services?
The customer journey begins with filling out a form, providing details such as name, contact information, address, and other required data. The user agrees to the loan terms and data policy and uploads necessary documents online, including an ID copy, a second identity proof, and a bank statement. The application is then verified by a certified specialist as required by Czech law. If approved, funds are sent to the verified account. Clients can access all loan details through their personal account or by contacting our support service available 7 days a week, including holidays.
Everything's on 7 days a week, including public holidays. That's great. It's also quite interesting because Kilde is also in the fintech sector. We're regulated by the Singapore government, and we do share a similar onboarding process where a customer enters KYC information, it gets verified, and the account gets activated, and so on and so forth. You can access other services. In terms of the target audience that you have, who is your target audience, and what unique needs do they have that Rerum addresses?
Our target audience consists of Czech citizens aged between 21 and 45, primarily younger demographic with diverse educational backgrounds, most commonly secondary education. Some of our clients might not meet the strict criteria of traditional banks, but we focus on making financial services more accessible. Our solutions are designed to provide quick and convenient financial assistance tailored to the needs of modern clients who value simplicity and speed.
So it's usually people who are just right outside of college, which are more of the first jobbers, which is 21 plus, I think, till 45, mostly young audience, and they're all based in Czech Republic.
Exactly.
So that's what you are focusing on currently at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
So in terms of the operational insights, can you share some metrics that highlight Rerum's growth and impact to date?
Mm-hmm. We acquired our license in 2018 and resumed operations in 2022. In March of that year, we issued our first 124 loans, totaling 25,000 euros. This year, we've grown to 1,400 loans per month, amounting to 1,220,000 euros. While we surpassed 1,000 loans per month early in 2023, our focus has since shifted to enhancing the quality of our portfolio and automating key business processes. 2025 aim to achieve 3,000 per month, reflecting our commitment to sustainable growth.
What led to this growth? I just thought it's quite interesting because I think the first year you issue 124 loans, and then 2 years forward 1,400 loans.
Maybe our great team and our leadership.
What's the size of the team at Rerum, and how do you ensure a strong company culture?
Our team includes 6 department managers, sales and customer service manager, risk manager, product manager, marketing manager, collections manager, and financial manager. Each oversees a team of 2 to 6, depending on the department. Most managers bring extensive experience in the Czech financial sector, including banking and credit services, giving them a deep understanding of the market. As for our non-management teams, they are made up of Czech-speaking professionals who leverage their local expertise to effectively address our clients' needs.
Let's jump into a little bit about your partnership with Kilde. I understand Rerum is launching its tranche on our website soon for debenture funding. Just out of interest, what led you to choose us to raise funding?
We chose Kilde's platform for its user-friendly interface and reliability, benefiting both investors and borrowers. Issuing debentures allows us to raise funds without diluting our equity through share issuance.
So you want to avoid issuing shares and diluting the equity. How do you see yourself benefiting from this partnership with Kilde and its fixed income investors?
Partnering with Kilde enables us to establish a long-term relationship with fixed income investors by demonstrating the value of investing in Rerum. We can secure additional funding to achieve our long-term objectives.
Let's dive a little bit more into the market trends. In terms of the trends, what trends do you see shaping the future of the industry? How are you positioned to capitalize on?
Key trends shaping our industry include remote work, artificial intelligence, and digitalization. Rerum is well positioned to capitalize on this by automating application processing and enhancing customer support through artificial intelligence training. We've already embraced remote work with all verifiers operating from home office. This approach significantly reduces operational costs while maintaining efficiency.
That's interesting. So how else do you ensure to stay ahead in such a competitive and rapidly changing market?
Rerum stays ahead by leveraging proven technologies from global fintech projects, such as automated application processing and payment systems, which significantly speed up loan issuance. While the Czech market evolves more slowly than we'd like, our smaller Agile team enables us to implement new features quickly, efficiently, and with minimal errors. This focus combined with our exclusive dedication to the Czech Republic gives us a competitive edge over larger financial institutions.
You're essentially taking advantage of AI automation and trying to process and automate as much as you can. In terms of the economic environment, how has that affected your company? So basically, how has macroeconomic factors like inflation or interest rates impacted your operations or strategy?
Macroeconomic factors like inflation and interest rates have a limited impact on Rerum's operations. The global crisis stands to benefit the lending industry, and our payday loan model ensures returns within 30 days, minimizing inflation's influence. The base interest rates set by the central bank doesn't directly affect our operations or pricing strategy, as our loan rates are determined by customer risk profiles rather than market rates. Additionally, our financing mix excludes bank loans, so changes in the base rate do not affect the passive side of our balance sheet.
In the current economic climate, what opportunities do you see right now that are exciting for your company?
The Czech Republic presents unique opportunities for credit institutions. Legally, clients must provide extensive documentation even for small loans, such as €100, similar to mortgage applications. This stringent requirement enhances the safety of non-bank lending. Consequently, debt portfolios maintain high value and legal collection processes are effective, making the Czech market particularly attractive compared to other countries.
It's interesting you're touching upon the legal aspects. So I think while we're at it, let's dive a little bit into the risk management and compliance, which is sort of an important thing for any other fintechs, right? So my first question would be, what are the biggest risks associated with Rerum's business model, and how do you mitigate them?
The primary risk in Rerum's business model is customer insolvency, credit risk. To address this, our risk department continuously refines advanced scoring models to minimize exposure. Our semi-automated models utilize up to 10,000 input features during training, ensuring highly accurate creditworthiness assessments. This data-driven approach enables informed lending decisions and helps maintain a balanced risk profile.
What is customer insolvency?
He cannot pay.
So if customer cannot pay or doesn't have the ability to pay, it's a credit risk. It's called customer insolvency. Understood. Thanks. Can you share details about how Rerum ensures compliance with the regulatory requirements in the Czech Republic?
Rerum ensures compliance in the Czech market through a dedicated compliance team that actively monitors local regulation and ensures adherence to all legal standards. We conduct a regular employee training, implement a robust compliance system, and carry out internal audits to uphold high standards and operational integrity.
People are interested about the financial performance of a company. So how has Rerum ensured financial stability and sustainability in its operations?
Rerum ensures financial stability and sustainability through advanced models for pricing, risk management, and debt collection. Additionally, we operate under the supervision of the Czech National Bank, which ensures we meet our commitments and maintain a secure and reliable service for our clients.
What kind of safeguards do you have in place to protect the interests of the investors and partners?
We protect the interests of our investors and partners through robust internal controls, including risk and cash flow management, business continuity planning, and also a responsible HR policy. Additionally, we undergo an annual external audit and provide regular financial reporting to our investors, management, and the Czech National Bank, ensuring transparency and accountability.
Let's dive into a little bit about the growth plans in the future. Do you have any new products that you're excited about?
Currently, we are focused solely on the Czech market with no immediate plans to expand internationally. However, we aim to broaden our target audience by offering loans to Czech citizens with income from foreign accounts or in other currencies, setting us apart from competitors. Additionally, we plan to enhance our product line by introducing installment loans and a credit line product with plastic, let's say, bank card, providing greater convenience for our users.
What sort of impact do you hope to do in the next 5 to 10 years in the industry and beyond? Do you have any plans to expand beyond Czech Republic, or you will keep the focus there?
Rerum aims to strengthen the Czech Republic's position as a hub for innovative fintech companies. We aspire to be ambassadors of digitalization, driving progress not only in the Czech market, but potentially across the entire European Union.
If you have to summarize the value prop to our investor in just a few sentences, what would you say?
Rerum provides investors with a unique opportunity to engage in a non-bank lending that delivers higher returns, akin to payday loans, while maintaining the reliability and stability associated with the banking sector. Our model balances profitability with a strong emphasis on risk management, ensuring both attractive yields and a secure investment environment.
I also have another difficult question. Why is now the right time for investors to support Rerum through Kilde?
The ongoing global challenges stemming from COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine have created a prolonged economic crisis that is expected to last another maybe 2 or 3 years. Crises often bring unique opportunities, making this the ideal time to invest in a stable and resilient businesses like Rerum, which offer secure returns even in uncertain times.
What's one thing you wish people understood about the private credit space?
I wish more people understood the importance of staying flexible and open to innovative solutions that merge regularly in the private credit space. It's not as daunting as it may seem and often provides unique opportunities for growth and diversification.
Yeah, of course, it's not as scary as it seems. Thank you so much, Monika, for the interview that comes to the closing. If you have any questions about Kilde or Rerum, please reach out to us and we're happy to answer your questions anytime. Thanks for your time. Thank you, Monika.
Thank you very much.